Peterson.
Will Peterson. I'm Anthony Wilson. I'm wanting to know why you haven't looked at the video of the sheriff where he assaulted me over in the Dark Horse Cafe. That happened all the way back in March. Now I'm a victim of that. I gave Housley video evidence. As a matter of fact, he filed the charges. Why haven't you looked at him?
I just walked in.
No, I mean since March, back when the assault took place and he actually did the charges.
We're not going to continue. I'm going to allow you to talk. I'm not ready yet. I just walked in the door. You kind of confronted me here.
Well, I told your office I was going to do this because.
Okay.
What facts are disputed? I've got video evidence. How are you going to dispute
You're
that?
going to have to wait in line or stop.
Okay.
I'll ask them to remove you.
Okay. Well, I can. I'm not
Please
in your
shut
way.
the
You can
camera
walk
off.
away from me.
Shut it off.
This is my First Amendment right. I'll film them. I'll film you.
I'm going to have you remove him
From a public place.
Yeah.
Actually, I would need help getting outside right now because you guys don't have handicapped access here. This is Will Peterson. This is the prosecuting attorney of Newton County. Actually, I'll need you guys to will. I'll need willed out. You guys don't have that accessibility, and I'm not turning my camera off right now because y'all are tyrants. So look, they're taking. Hey! Ow! Fuck! I got hit by a goddamn car. What are you doing? You just hit my leg on that. You fucking meant to do that, you asshole.
For the camera, that was blatantly a very light contact. That couldn't.
Oh bullshit! He just ran me into that fucking chair, dude. I got hit by a Toyota Prius. You won't even press charges on the sheriff when there's video evidence. You won't even acknowledge. You need to resign. Alright, I'm gonna get through these 3 documents for y'all really fast. The first one was actually served by civil process. Peterson had a sheriff's deputy send this one to me. It says it's a cease and desist letter. Cease and desist disruptive court municipal proceedings. Dear Mr. Wilson, I am writing you on behalf of Seneca, the city of Seneca, regarding your inappropriate and disruptive behavior during the municipal court proceeding held at Seneca on June 18th of 2025. This is regarding the video that you just watched. Your conduct on that date was wholly unacceptable and included loudly and aggressively confronting me upon sight, making loud demands, aggressively filming, and clearly posturing for the camera, refusing to wait your turn when respectfully asked, continuing to act inappropriately, and using extremely profane and inappropriate language for any forum, let alone a judicial forum. My understanding is that you have continued your inappropriate behavior by continuing to suggest that you suffered some sort of injury or assault as the officers were assisting your exit from the proceedings. Such behavior is worthy of sanction, but the city of Seneca continues to be responsible as always and is willing to give you one more chance that you do not deserve. Nevertheless, please accept this letter as notice that there will be zero tolerance moving forward. That if there are any similarly inappropriate issues caused by you whatsoever, moving forward, you will no longer be welcome on the city property, and you will be prosecuted and given your disruptive and profane conduct that is absolutely not protected whatsoever by any constitutional or legal right whatsoever. Contrary to your belief, there is no constitutional or legal right to otherwise to behave in the manner that you have behaved. Your action disrupted official municipal court proceedings and created a hostile environment that interfered with the orderly administration of justice. Such conduct violates our basic court standards of courtroom decorum and civility that are essential to the proper functioning of our judicial system. The city of Seneca has a duty to maintain order and decorum in its facilities, particularly during official proceedings. We will not tolerate disruptive behavior that disrupts these proceedings or creates an intimidating or hostile environment for court personnel, attorneys, or other members of the public. This letter serves as your final warning. Any disruptive, aggressive, or inappropriate conduct on city property will result in your immediate removal and potential criminal prosecution for trespassing, peace disturbance, and or disorderly conduct. The city reserves all rights and remedies available at law and equity. Truly yours, Wood and Peterson, LLC. Given a little digital signature there by William Peterson. So this one just came by regular mail, actually. It's RE June 18th, 2025 incident. Dear Mr. Wilson, my understanding is that you have contacted the Seneca Police Department and my law office inquiring as to whether any action will be taken against the officer Wilson for assisting in removing you from the City Hall on June 18th, 2025. Not for assault. You were investigating assisted removal. For you violating my constitutional rights and having another officer violate my constitutional rights in removing me. Please accept this letter. Please accept that this matter has been reviewed and that I will not be filing any charges against Officer Wilson. Upon review, his conduct was exemplary that day, and no charges are remotely warranted for his actions. As it turned out, I did not need to speak with you any further to feel comfortable in my conclusion. I'm truly so shocked to hear that. I thought you were having trouble sleeping at night. This concludes the matter. Accordingly, please stop contacting my law office or the city about this issue. Best wishes moving forward. Mr. Wilson, you're just not allowed to seek justice. That officer was very good in what he did in assaulting me.
Go ahead.
For influencing judicial process, intimidation, also for filing false reports because several of the incidents that you've reported have been found to be false by prosecutors.
By who? By who? By him. By him because he's corrupt. Okay.
Okay, but so hear me out. That's where we're at.
So
okay?
he was threatening me. He was threatening me with that yesterday.
I'm here to inform you that the charges are coming, and they are there. Okay, and they will be filed through the county.
Okay.
Okay, they won't be going through the city. You will be being charged through the state itself.
Office, am I going to get any service or assistance here from the city hall? Because I came in here to follow the legal process, and what I did yesterday was simply observing. I sat where I was told to sit. I tried to keep quiet. Mr. Peterson kept interrupting during court, and the Sunshine Law form that I am actually going to fill out and request is going to prove what I'm saying. Now, he threatened me and by the way, and this is with what happened with you. I still don't know why you threw me into those people. I'd like to know. I would really like to know, Sergeant Wilson.
None of this. We're not here to discuss any of that. I am here to tell you what.
Well, actually, hold on. He's saying that I filed false report on him.
He and I are leaving now.
He is saying that I filed a false report on him.
He and I are leaving now. That's where we're at.
But you're here.
You've been charged and told of the charges that are coming your direction by the prosecutor. Okay.
To say that I'm filing a false report on him. Your body camera's not even on. Why isn't your body camera on?
So
is it on? I don't see the red dot anywhere.
They don't all flash red dots.
Oh, okay. Okay. Well, I know that Pex does. So, I mean, I got to see Pex yesterday. I mean, it flashes red.
There it is. Y'all, if you didn't see the evidence yourself, you probably wouldn't believe it. If you haven't already, go ahead and like, sub, and make sure you hit that bell notification so you don't miss more updates on this situation and other situations in the community, because these guys are relentless.